Okay, I'm going to go over the installation of the equipment into your cavity. So I was given the dimensions of this cavity here. I forget the dimension here, but it's the same as what you have. Maybe 4 inches if I'm not mistaken. 4 inches deep by 13 or so, whatever that was, wide. Now, in the bottom, we're putting the APC UPS backup on the very bottom. The first master controller, the master controllers mount with screws in the back. They have the special type of screw with the, I think they call it keyhole. So the bottom of the first master goes at 9 inches off the floor. The bottom of the second master goes at 25 inches off the floor. This wall adapter, I have it at 36 inches. You know, that's approximately in the middle. You can put it up or down if you need to. The second master controller is at 41 inches off the floor. The LCD touchscreen is at 59 off the floor, and it's 2 inches over from the right hand side. The battery compartment is at 65 inches off the floor, and it is 1 1/4 over from the left, and that allows us to run some cables down through the side of that. If you put in a 4 outlet box at the top, you can put it as I've drawn it. Maybe you may have a better way to do that, but I'm just showing that at 5 inches down. That leaves us room to mount our remote control receiver. This receiver, I'm showing it at 67 inches off the floor, just up against the wall. I just put one screw in it, one drywall screw, just to hold it in position. And this is the key fob that will be mounting to the back of the door. So I've just got it mounted here for just my mock-up, okay? But this battery and this key fob goes to the back of the door, and then you'll have some wires that I think I've got 8 feet here. These wires go to your buttons on the door, okay? So here are your buttons. You can disconnect these, and I've got them wire netted together here. So I've got both. I've got about 1 foot on these wires. You can cut them as necessary and reconnect them. And they go, like I said, up to your fob, okay? And this array of buttons is not going. This is just for me to test. This is simulating home automation. Okay, there is a USB module here for programming the system. It will just hang out of the box like this. The way I designed this is just much easier for this to sit outside. I think that's it for the basic dimensions. The motors that I've got mounted here and the home switches, those are just for my reference, just for my mock-up. Okay, let me zoom out so you can kind of see the compartment. And this compartment that I built matches what your space available.